So, my in laws were just in town from upstate New York and they drove all the way down here to Arizona just to spend a week with us. And we were so happy to get to spend some time with them since we haven't seen them in person for about 2 years. And we spent a lot of time just hanging out and catching up. And Daniel and I got to show them this really cool antique mall near where we live, and it's huge. They have all kinds of things there. But that's where I found this 35 millimeter camera. It's a Canon EOS Rebel XS, and it was made in I think 1993. And my in-laws were so kind to buy it for me. Since we had all planned to take a 2-day trip up into northern Arizona, I decided to test out a roll of film in the camera to see how it works, and this is how it went. We took them up to one of our favorite places to hike in Flagstaff on the Arizona Trail, which looks so beautiful when we were there. One of the best times of year to take this hike is just after monsoon season. After all of the rain we got this year, the landscape was so lush and green, and it almost feels like you're transported someplace that doesn't remind you of Arizona. And we only hiked a small fraction of this trail. It actually spans across the whole state, one end reaching all the way up to Utah and the other reaching all the way down to Mexico. This was all of our first times visiting the Grand Canyon, and it's like everyone says, it's beautiful and it's huge. It's definitely more beautiful and wonderful to experience in person. We visited the south rim of the canyon on this trip, but there's so much more to see and to hike, and I'd love to come back and experience more and explore a little closer to like the Colorado River, maybe see Horseshoe Bend on the east end, and it'd be cool to experience the skywalk too. love opportunities like this where I can step away from school and just from being so busy and enjoy taking it slow and spending time with loved ones and taking in the beauty of nature, the beauty of God and His glory and His power, His wisdom and His loving care. It's revealed in nature, and I think that's why we're so drawn to spending time in it.